In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post products on Shopify. Whether you're adding your first item or updating your product catalog, Shopify makes the process simple and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside Shopify, look at the left side menu and click on Products. This is where all your store items are managed. Next, click the Add Product button to start creating a new product listing. Now, enter your product title. Make sure the title is clear, professional, and easy for customers to understand. Below the title, add a detailed product description explaining the features, benefits, sizes, materials, or anything important customers should know before buying. Next, upload high-quality product images by clicking Upload Files or Add Media. Clear images from multiple angles can greatly improve customer trust and conversions. After adding images, scroll down to the pricing section and enter your product price. You can also add compare at pricing if you want to show discounts or sales. Now, configure your inventory details, shipping information, and product variants like size or color if needed. You can also organize your products by adding collections, tags, and categories to make your store easier to navigate. Once everything looks good, review the product details carefully and click Save. Your product will now be posted to your Shopify store and available for customers to view and purchase depending on your product status settings. Adding products regularly and optimizing descriptions and images can help improve your store's appearance and increase sales over time. And that's it. You've successfully posted a product on Shopify. Thanks for watching.